Paano nga ba natin sinusolve ang permutation? Tara, pag-usapan natin. I have here the formula for permutation. At dapat tandaan nyo to ha, para hindi kayo nahihirapan sa pagsosolve. So we have here the permutation of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial. Ngayon, may mga given na tayo dito, ang gagawin natin is to apply the formula para ma-solve natin. So, for number 1, we have the permutation of 6 taken 3 at a time. Okay? So, identify natin si n. Okay? Yung n natin, yun yung number bago si p. So, sino siya? Ito, si 6. Okay? And then, ang r natin will be yung after ni p, which is our 3 here. Okay? Now, we can apply these values dun sa formula natin. Okay? So, this one is equal to n factorial. Ano ba yung n natin? We have 6 factorial. Okay? Over. Ano ang n natin? We have 6, diba? The quantity of 6 minus our r, which is 3. And then, factorial. Okay? Bago natin i-apply yung factorial, i-simplify muna natin itong nasa denominator. What is 6 minus 3? Correct, that is 3. So, this one is equal to, kopyahin lang muna si 6 factorial, over 6 minus 3 is, correct, 3 factorial. And alam naman natin kung paano mag-simplify ng factorial, di ba? We are multiplying all the positive integers less than or equal to the given number. In this case, 6 factorial, di ba? So, we are going to multiply all the positive numbers less than or equal to 6. And ano yon? 6. Kasi equal to 6. Tapos lahat ng mas mababa sa kanya na positive numbers. So, we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Now, for 3 factorial, we are going to multiply all the positive numbers less than or equal to 3. Dahil equal din siya kay 3, so 3, at lahat ng mas mababa sa kanya, 2 times 1, na positive lang. Okay, now, to simplify this one, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede tayong mag-cancel, di ba? So, we have here, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. So, ito, equals lang siya kay 1. Kaya, i-cancel na natin siya. So, what is now 6 times 5? We have 30, correct? Times 4 is 120 times 1, na ito siya, yung na-cancel natin, is still 120. So, the answer is 120. Ganun lang kadali. Now, you try. What is the permutation of 5 taken 2 at a time? Comment your answer in our comment section with your solution. Kung possible na with your solution, ha, para makita ko kung tama yung ginagawa nyo. And please don't forget to follow our page. I-click na dyan yung follow button. And share videos, mga anak ko, para marami pang matuto sa math. Okay?